Everybody, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Paul. Welcome to Tech Talk.
Brought to you by the Kentuckiana TRC. What's going on, babe, Paul? What you got?
So, Jeremy, this is the RealWear headset, HMT, head-mounted tablet.
Okay.
We talked about this earlier, remember?
Yeah, we got another video below if you guys want to get more details on this, in-depth stuff.
Yeah, go off through all the gore details, right? Specifications, all that good stuff, right?
Cool.
But today what we wanted to do was actually show you a live demonstration of using the headset with software application from PTC called Chalk.
Oh, just like we did back when I was trapped at home with COVID. You helped me out. In that video, I used my phone, but this application, we're going to use this headset.
Exactly. And I get to be the guy in the field this time, and you get to tell me what needs to happen.
Nice change of pace.
Nice change of pace.
Awesome sauce. Check out the video, folks. We'll be right back.
Hey, Paul, I just started recording this Chalk session, dude, with because this is cool. This is different. You got your headset on. It's neat.
Yeah, I got that RealWear headset on.
Yeah.
Hey, I just walked in here in the lab, and the robot has quit working, and I have no idea what the heck's going on. Let me show you what the screen's looking like. Yeah, let me look at what the screen's looking like. So
pause this so I can be still. You keep talking.
So I don't know if you can see that or not. Can you see the fault that's actually on the panel view?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, well, I can hit the reset button or the clear button, and it doesn't. It basically just it's really screwed up. I don't know what's going on.
Well, let's see. Hold on just a second. Let's see. Is that you looking? Well, yeah, you're looking at it. I sent you a picture there, but I can't read
Open
that
item
well. Is that top one? Check out that picture.
Oh yeah, I see it there. Okay, close.
Does that say enabled?
It says enabled, and all three of them are red.
Oh, no, that's bad then. Yeah.
That's bad. Yeah, well, imagine that. That's what I was. The reason I was like, hey, this robot ain't working. Hang on, let me open up the enclosure and see if you can. All right. So there's the inside of the enclosure.
Got you. There's your kinetics. Is that 525? Look up at it. Is that?
Yeah, it's a 525.
Oh, it's off, but you're not using it.
Yeah, it's off. No. You see the disconnect is off.
Got you. Well, you got is that a flashing light? I sent you a pic, but
open item 2. Open 2. Oh, on the safety block, yeah. Close.
Oh, yeah, that's flashing red, so that's not good.
Yeah, that module's flashing green and red.
Is it hardwired? Is it hardwired to your kinetics over there?
No, doesn't look like it.
Oh, well, can you? What's the part number on your kinetics?
Where the heck are they?
Hold still, back up. Right, I just sent you a picture. You should be able to.
Open 3. All the way down on the bottom. Well, that's convenient. Yeah. Close. All right, so the part number is 2198-D006-ERS4.
Oh, so that's SIP safety. Then that drive can go either way.
Oh, okay. So that's the reason there's nothing hardwired up. Yeah. Can you hear me okay? Because I got this fan blowing right here on the microphone inside this enclosure.
No, I hear you great.
Okay. It must be that noise suppression that they've got built into this.
That's pretty handy.
System. Yeah.
Let's see. I'll turn the flashlight on, see if I can see any better.
So there's no faults on the controller.
No, it's what did it say? What's this scroller right here saying?
Scroll right where? Select item 4. Open item 4. Open 4. Show gallery. Show gallery. Open 4. Oh, you're talking about the LED display. Close.
Yeah, that thing.
Close.
Oh, it's just saying your safety link and stuff is down. Okay. That's probably a hint. So I think you're going to have to go online with it, brother, and check it out, see what's going on inside the controller.
Okay. All right. I'll have to get my laptop out, and we'll see if we can figure it out. All right, man.
All right, dude. All right, brother.
Thanks,
Good luck.
brother.
See you, sir.
All right, man.
All right.
See you.
Bye.
Paul, that was a pretty good video. I mean,
Yeah, it's pretty sure it should have been pretty straightforward. That Chalk is a pretty powerful software
Yeah.
application, right?
absolutely.
So it is a subscription for those of you who all are interested. It's not a one-time buy. It is a yearly subscription. Different levels of pricing
Right.
associated with it. So just reach out to one of your sales associates or contact Jeremy or I, either one. Kind of work through some pricing models with you if you're interested. So yeah, there you go.
Thank you, everybody. Appreciate your time today.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
All right, bye.